ATV school. What the? Try that.
There's some more great air right there from Lumberjack. Steve Sims out of Virginia Beach, Virginia. Say goodbye, Chevy. What is Steve Sims gonna do here? Oh, nice air there for Stone Crusher. Gets a small slap wheelie out of it. Slap wheelie right there for the gas station. versus Crusher. It's race time! What a finish! Stone Crusher! That's the win, and here comes Hooked! Nice air there for Whitfield. Whitfield and Hooked. Lining up here on this Wildwood beach surface. Whoa! That guy parked in the wrong spot. Nice air there for Hooked. Perfect sky wheelie. Let's hear it for EMC Lawler from Jefferson, Maine. Here comes Lumberjack. Go get him, Scoob. Whoa! Some of the biggest air we've seen so far this afternoon. competition. I sure hope not, man. What do you think, ladies and gentlemen? Hose Monster Truck Motors. Up next, your racing winner from earlier this afternoon, hitting the track from Virginia Beach, Virginia. This is Steve Sims and Stone Crusher. Look at Crusher go! Whoa, my! Whoa! Forget Elon Musk, we're sending monster trucks to the moon! Uh-oh. Now, ladies and gentlemen, these trucks have a device called an RII, Remote Ignition Interrupter. If there's ever a time where they track a visual about something's not right with the truck, or it's unsafe for whatever reason, they have the power to shut that truck off by remote kill switch. And all of our trucks have it. It's a safety precaution that we have. One of the coolest features that each one of these trucks has might be what's going on with Stone Crusher. Could be an EFI issue, could be an electronic issue of some sort. We're not exactly sure what's going on with Stone Crusher. Man, oh man, Steve Sims was getting big out there, man. Massive air off the cars. The monster from Bahama is in the house. Ladies and gentlemen, get your applause together for Craig Winchenbach in Crustacean. The big purple can opener from Lancaster, Pennsylvania. The driver, of course, hails from Senegal, Pennsylvania. Oh no. That does not sound good.
Its metal brain corrodes.
Uh-oh. Oh, jeez. Some motor problems there for the shredder. Joe's been running that thing hard all day, and it caught up to him. Unfortunately, a tough break there for Mr. Lockhart. He wanted so bad to go big for you fans here in Wildwood. Here today, from Bethesda, Maryland, the Mean Green Destruction Machine, Corey Snyder and Toxic. Oh, man! All right, ladies and gentlemen, who thinks the winner of freestyle should